Breneman here. I am coming to you with a get ready with me. You might be wondering, why am I doing this? I don't sell makeup or skincare, and so, why would I be doing something like this? Well, actually, I have a fear of doing this, and so I am in a season of leaning into the things that bring fear into my life, and so this is one, and I'm just gonna conquer it this morning. You guys get to be a witness to it. So, getting ready to go get a mammogram. I know that's really exciting. I love using the Breneman Fields. This is called Liquid Protection, I believe. It's not a foundation, but as you can, it's too much lighting. And this is a really funky lighting. Let's see. There we go. I have red skin, and this just takes all that redness away, and I love it. And I love how it makes my skin super smooth. So yes, I am going for a mammogram today, and what's so nice about it is that in our area, I don't have to go to the hospital. They have a bus that has all the equipment needed, and it's just 5 minutes away from my house. Isn't that great? So there's no excuses, right ladies? No excuses. So I was at the nurse practitioner a few weeks ago, just getting my yearly exam, and the nurse asked me, how many years has it been since you've gotten a mammogram? And I said, well, I think it's been 2. And she said, no, it's been 4. And I was like, oh my goodness. It's just amazing how just that time gets away from you, especially something that you might not be really looking forward to. All right, so now I'm putting on some concealer. Some people put their concealer on first, some put it on after. I used to put it on first, but I found that I like it better on myself. I do it after my, foundation, which that Breneman Fields is not a foundation. Anyway, I just get through the worst of my dark circles, and I just pat it in. Yeah, I can't believe I'm doing this, but oh well, we're just going with it. I really knew that I needed to do this when I was talking myself out of it. When you find yourself talking yourself out of something, then that should be a clue, when it's, when it's a legitimate concern, that's one thing, but this was not a legitimate concern. Who cares if I go live and put on makeup, right? But I think just showing yourself like bare-skinned or something. Anyway, I just pat, pat, pat until it gets in there, get the corners, come up. I have really modeled, eyelids and such too, so it is a must. All right. Yeah, so I was talking myself out of it. I was even thinking I could go into my group with just the ladies, and oh, that would be so much easier. Like, nope. So I, put on my powder. Now my makeup friends are probably cringing. I just slap it on. This is my everyday look. This is my going to the grocery store look, going out to eat look, going to a gala look. This is going to a mammogram look. Okay, eyeshadow. I use 2 shades all the time. I have all these shades. I use 2 of them. I put the lighter one up under my brow, and then I put a darker one right here, and I just cover the eyelid. Works for me. I am famous for putting makeup on in the van too. Like sometimes if I'm running late, I just grab my makeup, and it's whatever time I have, that's what I do. All right, done. Next is eyeliner. Now, I'm a child of the 80s. I was a teenager in the 80s, and so I used to put eyeliner all the way around, especially my under eye, waterline. And that is definitely something that as I've gotten older, I have changed my routine with that. So I love putting eyeliner just on my, upper lid, just at the lash line. And something that I do, maybe you want to give it a try and see what you like. I start with the first eyelash, but I don't go to the very end of my eyelashes. because I don't want to like pull things down. I want things to kind of be up. Oh my goodness, how do people do this? All right, so first eyelash into about like the second or third from the end. Did I get it on there? Can't see. Okay, and then this one. First eyelash to about the second or third. There we go. And we are rolling. Okay, I'm so pleased with myself. Sometimes the anticipation of doing something scary is worse than actually doing it. So a little trick that I do with my mascara, I absolutely love the Epic mascara, but it's getting down to the very, very end. And so something that I do to get a few more applications from it, I put a little bit of Rejuvenate oil in there, just a drop. Not only helps it, soften it up, but it also nourishes my eyelashes. So here we go. My little trick for eyelashes is, because I don't want to curl them all the time, is I go top to bottom, get them covered, and then I kind of zigzag them, do a little dance with them. And while I'm doing that, I bring it towards my nose. I bring it towards the center, so I'm lifting up my eyelashes. And this side. So I love playing with makeup. It makes me feel good, going out and about with makeup on. It kind of gives you a creative outlet too, doesn't it? Anyway, so I have the eyelashes covered and I'm going in towards my nose, towards the center. Here we go. And for my eyebrows, I like the fullness of them just fine. I use a translucent, I don't know, this might be a mascara, I don't know if it's a mascara, but it's something with the eyelashes. And I just go like this, because one thing I cannot stand is for my eyebrows to be out of place. They go every which way. All right. I don't use blush, but I should probably start, experiment with it. I do have a little bit of Mary Kay lipstick. I think this is like a plum color that I really like. My friend gave me a little sample here, and it's just right for me because I don't like a whole lot of lip color. Am I done? Oh my goodness. Then you just add your earrings. All right, ladies, if you haven't had your mammogram in a while, go ahead and get that called in, schedule that baby. Women over 40 should have a mammogram once a year. And you definitely want your baseline at around age 40, so they have something to compare with later in life each year, right? All right, ladies, we can do this. Talk to you soon. Bye.